How to fix Snapchat not working with Bluetooth headphones. If you're trying to use Snapchat with Bluetooth headphones but the audio is not working, then you first need to go ahead and long press on the Snapchat app and then simply head over to the eye icon. So, what this does is it will take you directly to the app info. Now, from here on out, head over to permissions first and make sure that all of these permissions are allowed. Make sure every single one of them is turned on, and once that is done, you especially need to turn on the nearby devices, or you could just turn on the Bluetooth option if you have it. Then next step is to try to clear cache. Head over to the storage option and then click on clear cache. And then you could also try to clear data to completely refresh the app. Now, once you have done that, you could just go back and then head over to battery usage. Now make sure that it is set to unrestricted or optimized. And after everything is done, you can head over to your settings menu and then head over to connections, then Bluetooth, and make sure that the device that you want is connected here. And then you should be able to easily use Bluetooth headphones with your Snapchat. This is it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.